Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Orange lentils are a kitchen superstar, truly. They cook up in a flash, so weeknight dinners just got a whole lot easier. Plus, they're packed with protein and fiber, giving your body a great boost. Their gentle flavor, it's quite versatile, pairing beautifully with so many dishes, making them a pantry essential for healthy eating. To start, grab 1 cup of orange lentils and 2 cups of water, or for extra flavor, use vegetable broth. A little olive oil and a pinch of salt will also be helpful. Before you do anything else though, remember to always give your lentils a good rinse under cold running water. This washes away any dust and helps them cook up perfectly. Now for the cooking itself. Place your rinsed lentils, along with the water or broth and any seasonings you like, into a medium-sized pot. Bring that mixture up to a boil, then turn the heat down right away to a gentle simmer. Let them cook for just about 5 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until they become wonderfully soft and creamy. Once your lentils are cooked, you can easily enhance their flavor. A small knob of butter or a swirl of olive oil adds a lovely richness. This is also the perfect moment to stir in your favorite spices, maybe some cumin, turmeric, or a hint of smoked paprika for an extra kick. They're so versatile. Enjoy them as a hearty side, mixed into a soup, or spooned over fluffy rice. For any leftover cooked lentils, simply store them in an airtight container in the fridge. They'll stay good for up to 4 days. If you're feeling creative, you can even puree them with a little broth to create a wonderfully creamy and quick soup base. And for an extra nutritional punch, consider stirring in some chopped vegetables like spinach or finely diced carrots during the last few minutes of cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.